Today I'm using the brand new Kendra's Card Challenge number 20 along with some Stamps of Life products to make a festive but quick holiday card. Hey, it's Beth and welcome to Kendra's Card Challenge number 20. So we are starting a new quarter, October 1st through December 31st. And so that means we are starting a new Kendra's Card Challenge. We are up to number 20. And this is a hop. The design team members are going to be working through all 15 of this quarter's sketches for you so you can see how they go together, get some inspiration on how to use them. And there will be a playlist linked in the description box below for you that you can go through and watch all of the videos, all 15 cards. Today, I am going to be working on sketch number 9, and I am going to be using this Just Because collection from the Stamps of Life. It's a little like Christmassy feel, so I'm going to be using that to complete my sketch today. So let's get crafting. I am working on sketch 9 today. I have a die, Happy Holidays die from the Stamps of Life that cuts out the Happy Holidays words, and then the matte shadow that goes behind it, and then 2 sheets from the 6x6 pad. And I'm just kind of using my grid mat there to help me fold down the corner kind of in a 2 inches from both top and bottom, just so it's straight. And we'll kind of work on figuring out the layout that I want to use. If you have not heard of Kendra's Card Challenge before, each quarter, Cards by Kendra puts together a PDF guide that helps you take 6 6x6 sheets of paper and turn them into 15 cards. She gives you the cutting guides that you need for the pattern papers, and then the sketches that help you take those pattern papers as well as some additional cardstock and embellishment and turn them into the 15 cards. And there are a lot of opportunities for prizes with the challenges. And one of the reasons we have prizes are from the generosity of super sponsors, and the Stamps of Life happens to be a super sponsor for this quarter. So a big thank you to them for continuing to support Kendra's Card Challenges. I will also have a video linked in the description box below for you where you can it's Cards by Kendra's introduction video for this quarter's challenge, and she tells you how you can get the PDF. I will say that she does ask that you sign up for a free Patreon account. The only thing you have to do to sign up is supply your email address, and that's just so that she can communicate with you if there are, new challenges or announcements or updates and things like that. And there are so many opportunities to win prizes from, the wonderful sponsors like the Stamps of Life. We also have some other prize sponsors that donate prizes as well. And one of those ways that you can have a chance to win is through the link in the description box below for the giveaway form. So each of the videos in the hop today will have a form linked in their description box, and you can actually click on fill out and submit the form from each video that you watch. You will just need to use the special passphrase or a secret code word from each video on that video's form to be eligible to have a chance to win. So with that being said, my passphrase is the Stamps of Life. So this is just celebrating that Stamps of Life is one of our super sponsors, and so that is the phrase, the Stamps of Life, that you will need to enter on my form that is linked below. And then other ways you can win: you can submit photos of all 15 of your cards together through the InLinkz pages on her Patreon site. There are QR codes at the front of the PDF that take you to those pages, and that is where you can upload a photo of all 15 of your cards, like each set that you make, but one per month. So you have one opportunity per month to win the prize for all 15 photos. You can also submit photos via her Facebook group. The Facebook group is also a great place for additional information. If you can have questions that you want to ask, you get inspiration from other members as well. So like I said, really struggled with embellishments. This card was super easy to put together, but I chose to use my Happy Holidays sentiment as my any shape that is on the card sketch. So that is something to note, that there are some like gray and black areas on the card sketch, and those are like papers of your choice. So it can be additional cardstock, additional pattern paper, embellished paper, or embossed papers, specialty papers, like whatever. But those are in addition to the six by sheets of pattern paper. And then also on the sketches, sometimes you will see like any shape or, a spot for a sentiment, and you do have some wiggle room with how you use those. So instead of a shape, I chose to put my sentiment there in the center. And then I decided to go with the kind of gold layered pine cone that was in my stash. I'm not really sure where that came from. And then 2 little red punched flowers that was in my Christmas stash, I guess, to act as poinsettias. And so I just took some vinyl dots that I have. I just cut from scrap vinyl to kind of act as non-dimensional enamel dots. And I added a gold dot to each center of the flower to kind of bring in the gold that you would see on a poinsettia. And then because my Happy Holidays, that red is actually red glitter cardstock, I added a little wink of Stella to zhuzh up the poinsettias. And then decided that top right corner still needed something, so added some gold dots up there as well. So here is my completed card. Big thank you to the Stamps of Life for supporting us again this quarter. Here is the prize that they are offering. Be sure to check out the link to the playlist in the description box below. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you all have a very crafty day.